Dear friend, welcome to watch HitPaw AI News. What can you do when you are taking photos and the model wouldn't cooperate? No worries. Now you can simply ask the photo to change into anything you like. It is a new AI photo editing tool that Google recently published in a paper. The tool is called Imagic. It is text-based real image editing with the famous diffusion models. Imagic is said to have the ability to change postures. For example, inputting a standing dog, and by changing the prompt text, we can have the dog with different postures. Or a photo of a man standing. After giving it the prompt text, you can easily change the man's postures, even adding new objects in the photo. That is not enough. Imagic also has the ability to change color, add new objects, change filters, or apply multiple features at the same time. These are some of the examples displayed in the paper. The new tool can do more than imagination. Besides that, Imagic also has the seeds parameter like many other AI text-to-image tools. When you tell it what to do, and it will randomly generate different options for you. So, compared with other popular AI tools such as Stable Diffusion, Text-to-Live, what is good about Imagic? The paper shows a comparison between different AI tools. Imagic does well in the details as other models. Some photos are even better. That's amazing. If you would like to learn more about Imagic, you can find the link of the paper in the description of this video. This is HitPaw AI. We share latest AI news and tools with videos. Subscribe us to get updated of AI. See you.